Hey everyone, what's up guys? How are you guys doing today? Okay guys, so you're welcome back to my channel and you're welcome back to today's video. Okay, so in today's video I'm gonna be showing you a cellulite removal remedy. Now this is actually going to help you to smoothen out your skin, removing all of those lumpy stuff. Okay, and it's going to make your skin really plump, literally. So if you want to know all of the natural ingredients that I use for this video, do continue watching and don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share. And now let me take you right into this video. Okay guys, this is a great way to get rid of cellulite. Now, are you actually troubled with your cellulite and you've actually been trying so many things, you cannot find a solution? This is a very simple solution that would actually help to get rid of all of your cellulite and your skin will go smooth again. Okay guys, so here I have my coffee. Now you can use either your coffee grain or a finger coffee like this. Any coffee you have, as long as it's a coffee, it's just going to serve. Okay, so what we're going to do now is that we're going to be turning the coffee into this bowl. You have to take a reasonable quantity of coffee, not too much, yeah. So this is about 1 teaspoon of coffee, which is okay, except you're applying it on a large place on your skin. That's when you will be needing it much, about up to 2 tablespoons, yeah. Alright guys, so the very next ingredient, which is very important for this cellulite removal remedy, is this, and this is sugar. Now sugar has a smaller granular particles, and as such it helps so much in terms of scrubbing out cellulite on your skin, and it also helps to leave the skin looking smooth. It also helps for removal of cellulite when mixed with coffee. Okay, so what we're going to do here is that when you're taking your sugar, you'd have to take a good quantity of the sugar, because that is the particles in the sugar is actually what we need in scrubbing out your cellulite alongside with your coffee, yeah. Okay, so after you've put it together, you then mix it and mash it together, yeah, just like this. You have to mix it dry first. Then also the very next ingredient, which is very important and needed here, is petroleum jelly. Now you need your skin to stay moisturized. In as much as you have those cellulites on your skin, you need your skin to stay moisturized, and petroleum jelly is going to do, create a glow and leave the moisture locked into your skin, preventing further cellulite and also making your skin glow, most definitely. So petroleum jelly is actually well needed for this particular ingredient here. Okay, so I've actually put a little of the petroleum jelly in here, but the camera died, but I just want to show you guys, yeah. So when you put in your petroleum jelly, the next thing you do is that you're going to mix it up really well, just like that. You try and mix it first. This is one powerful and strong cellulite treatment You can actually make this and store it, yeah, so that you have it. It's not gonna go bad even if you store it for some while. Okay, so the very next ingredient you're going to be needing is egg. Now, do you know that egg actually helps so much in tightening up your skin, creating a glow onto your skin, and reducing the appearances of flappy skin and loose skin? So mixing it up with coffee alongside with sugar scrub is going to be ideal to remove cellulite. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to be breaking in just a little of the egg. Then we'll have to stir it. Don't over put the egg so that it won't, the treatment won't be watery. Okay, you need the treatment to stay thick and firm enough to enable you scrub. Alright, so as you mix, do not take too much of time because of the sugar, so that the sugar would not dissolve, alright, into the bowl. Now when the sugar dissolves, there won't be any particles for you to scrub with. So you would have to make sure that in as much as you mix, the sugar does not dissolve totally. So after doing that, anywhere you have cellulite, which is mostly on the thigh, and of course you guys know I can't show you my thighs, so I'm actually going to be demonstrating this using my hands. Yeah, those places you have your cellulite, your thigh and your back side, you grab this treatment. Immediately you're done mixing, you grab it like this, and then you put it onto your back side and your thigh. Now you would have to massage it really well. As you massage, you're going to be feeling the sugar particles on your skin. That is actually why I told you that you are not supposed to make the sugar particles dissolve completely. Now the sugar particles is going to go around your skin, you know, scrubbing your skin off and then removing all of those cellulites. Alright, so for this particular treatment, when you want to scrub with it, you can scrub it in an upward and downward direction, just like this. Okay, or you can do it in a circular motion. It depends on the on which one you actually want to do. Okay, so after which you scrub it, then you have to leave it on your skin for some minutes. Okay, let the treatment just settle there and help you in getting rid of the cellulite. Yeah, so for this treatment, if you can, and if you really want this to work, guys, you'd have to use it 2 times in a day for a couple of weeks, for at least 1 week and few days, or 2 weeks or thereabouts. Okay, you have to use it twice every day. So you just mix it like this and keep it in your so that's it. Now in some cases you can actually use a brush, you know, use it with this product and then scrub your cellulite area, and you're going to be feeling really good. It's gonna smoothen out and it's going to be glowing. Okay guys, so that's it. If you do love this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and share this video, and I will see you again in my next video. Bye guys.